Hey guys, I'm Luke, and today we're going to talk about the word wonder. Yes, wonder. Very common word and used in two really common ways. I wonder and no wonder. But what do those mean? What does I wonder mean? What does no wonder mean? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. I will give you some examples and I will explain each one. An airplane. Be quiet, airplane. I'm trying to do a video. I'm going to talk about... Now it feels sad. Talk about the word wonder. One meaning of the word wonder is something amazing. Sometimes we say a wonder or the 7 wonders of the ancient world. These are amazing things. But if we say no wonder, what does that mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Well, it means it's not amazing. It's not a surprise. Okay, so if somebody says no wonder about something that happens, that means they're not surprised that that thing happened. If I walk across the street and I don't look both ways and I get hit by a truck, it's no wonder that I got hit by the truck. It's not a surprise because you're supposed to look both ways when you cross the street. So people will say, yeah, it's no wonder you got hit by a truck. Or they might just say, yeah, no wonder. Hey, what happened to you? I got hit by a truck because I didn't look both ways. And they might say, no wonder. People often tell me I look like 2 people. One is the guy who plays Loki, Tom Hiddleston. The other is the guy who plays Teabag from Prison Break. I don't know his name. So then I say, well, yeah, Tom Hiddleston is my mom and the guy who plays Teabag is my dad. Both of them are my parents. It's no wonder I look like them. It's no wonder. Loki is really a great mom. Really, she is. He is. Teabag spent a lot of my childhood in prison, unfortunately. He wasn't around very much. Very sad. Anyway, it's no wonder I look like those 2. They're my parents. People use no wonder after they notice something that's maybe a little unusual. So, if I look really tired and somebody says, oh, you look so tired, and I say, well, I haven't slept in 3.5 years. 3.5 days, then they'll say, oh, it's no wonder. It's no wonder you look so tired. So again, you can say just, it's no wonder, or you can say, it's no wonder you look so tired. Another meaning of wonder is very different. Doesn't mean something is amazing. It means we're thinking about something and we don't know the answer. So we say, I wonder, I wonder. Or to ask others, have you ever wondered? Do you ever wonder? Very common. It's a good way to begin a conversation. If you make a comment about something that you wonder about, maybe other people around you have an opinion. It's often followed by why, or what, or where. I wonder why, I wonder what, I wonder where. And it can really be about anything. You could say, I wonder why these bricks are black instead of red. I wonder why they're black. Have you ever wondered why bricks are always red and not black? I wonder why they haven't removed the graffiti from that van. I wonder why there's a stop sign in front of a building where there's no street. It's a cloudy day, I can't see the sun. I wonder what time it is. Have you ever wondered if there are little people under those orange construction cones? I wonder if I'm the only person who thinks that this looks like a face. I wonder why nobody likes me. I wonder if that's pronounced Mega Academy or Mega Academy. Mega Academy is better. If you've never been to China, but you wonder what China is like, then you should come to Flushing in New York. It's like a little China, really is. I wonder if anyone has used that phone in the last 10 years. I don't think there's anything weird about walking around with a selfie stick and a microphone with a camera pointed at my face. I wonder why everybody's staring at me. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hopefully now it's very clear how to use I wonder and no wonder. Very useful, very, very common. If you have any other ideas for videos you'd like to see in the future, please let me know. And if you don't, I will wonder why you didn't. See you next time.